Hello everyone, welcome to NANBEI Company. Today I will introduce this large capacity peristaltic pump. This is a digital LED area and this speed adjust dial. Dispense bottle in direction switch. When you press direction switch, the liquid will from this to liquid here or here to liquid there. In the operation arm, you can patch operation arm. Power switch, power connector, cooling fan, control interface. Plug, tubing, operation manual, RS485 interface. It can connect a computer.